Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share with you my secret, number one, in terms of productivity. If you know me, and most of people who knows me, they say that I am really productive, ultra productive. So one of my main secret can be simplified in just few words. I am not available on the morning. So why that? It comes back to how our brain works. Let me explain. Our brain needs some focus. The focus is what allows you to achieve big things, you know? So every time you're gonna put any information in your brain, you're gonna lose a bit of focus. It's just a matter of energy. You have a certain amount of focus available in the morning, so you need to keep that focus on the top. So everything like notifications, message, email, social media, etc., use your brain power. And if you let them, if the first things in the morning when you wake up is to check your social media, you are using your brain powers for others, for advertisement, for anything, but nothing really focused on what you have to achieve. So I purposefully stop the notification on the morning. I do not read email before noon. I try to never check social media unless if I really have something to post myself, etc., etc. And you know what? Notifications, message, email, Slack message, etc. That usually to-dos for others. This is someone else who has something to ask you to do. And if you are open to this type of message, you are not focused on your own to-dos, on your own tasks, but you are focused on others' tasks, which is not a bad thing, but it's much better to organize your time to focus on your things first, and then to do people's around you tasks second, usually on the afternoon. So productivity is first to, focus on what you have to achieve, focus on your goal, focus on doing things for your own project and after for others. And the second thing why I am not available in the morning is also a matter of productivity. So why productivity? Well, this is how our brain works in terms of creativity, not in productivity, creativity. So the creativity comes usually from what your brain will process during the night. When you are falling asleep or when you are dreaming at night, etc. This is when your brain processes all the information that happened during the day, and that's also when most of the time you have new ideas. The new ideas came either when you fall asleep or when you wake up in the morning. Or maybe sometime you wake up during the night with a new idea. So first things to do in the morning, if it happened to you, it's to write down all the ideas that you might have came up with during the night or during the morning when you wake up. Second things I recommend you to do is to review your to-do list. First things in the morning. That's usually something I do on my yoga mat when I stretch and when I wake up and I let my brain to wake up slowly. And really avoid social media, avoid messages, etc. I don't even usually answer on the phone on the morning unless if it's really an emergency. But usually I never work on something else than my own tasks on the morning. So I invite you to have a try to see how it goes for you and let me know. I would love to know if it's helpful or not. And I'm wishing you a great day, and I will see you very soon for another episode to share maybe a few other tips. Bye for now.